Hello everyone, now we'll update latest firmware for DJI Mic 2 to get the best sound. We will show step by step, so it will be easy job for you. We need each unit of mic like receiver and sender or transmitter and USB cable to see type C. In addition to this, we need a computer with internet connection. To update firmware, we have to get the current firmware version. So for this we will go to setting from receiver, then we will go to version. Here we will get the version number. Now we will check in internet this is the latest one or old one. So we will go to Google and check DJI Mic 2 firmware update or version, anything. We'll just search. Now we'll press here top one. From here we will get the version option and we will get the version number, and there is a two file, one for the receiver, one for the sender, one for the RX, one for the TX. We will download both. Now we'll connect RX with computer. It will be switch off mode, and we will copy our downloaded RX file and it will move to our RX unit. Just simply we will copy here and paste it to our RX unit. Our job is done. Then we don't have to do anything, it will automatically update it. Our next job is connect our receiver unit or TX unit, and we will do the same job. We will copy the TX downloaded file and we will move it to TX unit, and our job is done here. We have to do this thing for both TX unit, so both unit will update it. Within a minute or two we will see this thing, it is updating, and it will take 3 to 5 minutes to completion of this process, and we will get a message like this: update successful. We can check our updated version another way. We'll go to RX unit, and from setting we'll go to version option. We'll check it is update or not, and we can check the RX unit and TX unit both from here. So our both unit updated properly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.